Hi, this is Dr. Damon Adams. I'm really looking forward to coming out to New Jersey to lecture on May 2nd. You know, we live in a world of many new product introductions and rapidly evolving materials. And this comes with a good deal of marketing hype that really is not always evidence-based. I'll explain and share detailed information on dental materials. I'll focus a good portion of this on lab fabricated materials. You know, I always feel like it's a major goal in my lectures if I could teach my attendees to think outside the box, to be a little more critical in your thinking. So I want to help you and your team expand your knowledge so that you can more objectively assess material and technique options. I'm really looking forward to being with you all. We'll see you May 2nd.